Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're just going to make a quick, simple, fun little DIY hummingbird swing. So it's going to be so easy, you're going to love it. And let's get started. So what I have here is some aluminum craft wire. And I got it from Amazon. I will leave a link if you want the exact one I've got here. It's very easy to shape, and now you wouldn't have to get as big of a roll as I did. I don't even remember how big this is. It doesn't say on here, but I remembered I got a lot of it because there's several projects I want to do with it. You can pick up some dowels from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, any craft store, probably any hardware store, but just some dowels, and I've got different sizes here. So this being the smallest, this being the largest, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to try to, where I cut this one, just kind of make it more pretty on the end, I guess. Get all the little stringies there off. Okay, so you're going to need a dowel. You're going to need some of this aluminum craft wire and some wire cutters. And then I have this little hook here that I got picked up from the Dollar Tree. So you don't even have to have that. You could even make you a little hanger with this. But, so what I'm going to do is, you see how flexible this wire is? I got some needle nose pliers here. We're just gonna turn it like such. Okay, now what I am doing is I'm gonna wrap the wire with the wrapped wire on the outside of the swing. And that way, if they're sitting on this inside of the swing, this is going to be out of their way. Does that make sense? Sometimes I confuse myself, so. And what I'm doing is trying to get it snug on there. And we're going to bring it to the outside right here. Okay, just churning it and churning it. Okay. So I'm going to stop where the start of my wire is on the bottom of of how I want the swing to sit. And that way the birds doesn't touch the bottom of it. Now, with this being so flexible and so easy, you can make designs with it. Little curlicues, ever how you want to. I've never tried, but I've seen some wires where that they even spell out a word. I'm not that crafty, I don't think. That would take some practice anyway. So I'm not going to try that for the first time on here. Maybe if I had practiced a little bit, maybe, but. Okay, so we're going to take this like this. And we're going to bring it just like so. Now this one went where it's cold under this way. I'm going to coil this one under the opposite way. So I'm going to take it and go ahead and cut right there. See how easy? And now we're going to wrap it. It's very easy to wrap. Just going to mash it real snug there. I'm going to need to trim that just a little bit. Because like I said, I want the bottom, I want the stopping point to be on the bottom. I'm just trying to think of the little birds, and I don't want them to land on anything real prickly. Okay, so I think this wire was about $10. And look, there's it's kind of heavy on here because there's a lot of it. It's rolls and rolls of it. But so they had the 3 little swings for $10.99 on Amazon. And I thought, you know, I can get the wire and make them myself, and then I can make other things. Because I think we're going to do a hummingbird feeder using some of this. So see, you could have made another little loop bigger and then, you know, get creative. So see, you can make different designs with them, whether it looks like a piece of bread. So you can make it squared off or center. And then just going to take this. And look how easy that was. Too easy. If you wanted to paint your little dowel, you could. But how cute. I think it's just so cute and just so easy. And like I said, I've got my little ending points under the bottom there. So, and I can rub my finger and it doesn't hurt. So there we go. We have a little hummingbird swing, and I hope to see the little hummingbirds swinging on. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this little quick, simple, fun little DIY. If you love hummingbirds, make you some hummingbird swings. And I appreciate y'all watching. I'll put the link to this wire in the description of the video. If you want to click on it, you can. If not, no worries. And please hit the thumbs up. Share this video. You can share it on your YouTube channel as a post. Even if you don't have videos on there, you just share it. Create a post and mash submit or enter or whatever. And it will post the video out. I appreciate it. Subscribe for me and hit the bell notification and select all so you get all the notifications of all my lives and or when I upload other videos. So thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.